So if we do not have enough data around our limbic system, how are we going to have an AI that's going to be able to accurately reflect our value system? You know, there's a lot of talk about the alignment problem with artificial intelligence. So I actually, you know, James talked about, I got pulled out of my doctorate program to work at Google. I'm back. I'm actually back doing some research on the emotional self. And the reason for that is we do need that information, because I don't believe that AI obviously is going to, you know, decide that it's going to kill us all, right? AI is a tool that if it does kill us all, it's because someone evil is using it and there's no counterforce to it, or someone good is using it with unintended consequences, which is what we as a species are very, very prone to, making decisions and choices with unintended consequences. The value, in my belief, around AI, besides all the optimization and efficiency chasing that we are doing as an economy, you know, global economy, is that AI provides us with a very, very powerful tool to start to reflect our collective intentions. More importantly than our collective intentions is our collective value system. It cannot do that unless it has a syntax through which it understands how we feel about our choices. And what does that mean? Because we as human beings, we make choices. We make moral, ethical choices. We think that we have a collective morality, but really that collective morality comes down to the granularity of the self, right? What makes someone wise is that he is applying knowledge to what he believes is good. That's wisdom, right? We talk about it all the time. Wisdom is the application of knowledge to what you believe is good. Now, what is good? Good is not some conceptual construct. Good is a feeling in the body that this is morally right, based on all this information that we're gathering at a quantum scale. So machines right now do not have the data to understand what that means for us. If you were to, and I bring it back to the conversation I just had around psychologists like Lisa Barrett-Feldman, if we now understand as a species that our emotional states are predictive outputs, and that every experience we have as human beings is somatically felt, it means that if we are to tap our somatic experience, and our somatic experience is what we would call qualia. I hope some people understand the term qualia. Qualia is a term that represents the experience of something ineffable, something that cannot be described. The simplest example usually given is, how do you describe the color red to someone who hasn't seen, right, who cannot see, or the redness of red? It's a direct experience. Now, these direct experience, we tend to abstract it in the cognitive form into language. So I feel, given a certain experience, I feel heat on the surface of my skin. I may be able to track it with biomarkers or biosensors, but I have a direct experience around how hot it feels, and I know I'm angry, right? But everybody's version of angry is different. I can express that. I can express that cognitively or conceptually through language, or I can express that in a visualized manner. And that data has not yet been captured. So for the entrepreneurs out there, if you can crack a way to capture somatically experienced data, somatically experienced content, and you can link that to the contextual world around you, that is a $1 trillion company, because that data is going to enable what we would consider truly empathic AI. Because right now, if you look at the research going on in emotional AI, it's all around recognition and mimicry. We don't yet have an AI that can reflect back our direct experience, and we need that.